I'm going to use the Today I Choose transfer with the chocolate and joy. So today I choose joy, and on the other side, today I choose chocolate. So we're going to start with the Today I Choose chocolate side. I took fawn and bark, and I combined those two colors to get a lighter brown. The other side is going to be bright white and buttermilk when I get to it. So I'm going to fuzz my transfer to make it a little less sticky so I don't ruin it when I take it off the piece of wood. Do my best to center it. Make sure it's all pushed down. Doing the same thing with the Today I Choose. Again, gonna fuzz it a couple of times, stick it down in the center the best I can. Didn't like where the chocolate was, so I moved it up a little bit, and that's totally okay. Gonna squeegee it down. Okay, I'm gonna use my mixture of chocolate color that I made and make sure I cover all of the parts of my transfer, squeegeeing off any excess, and then pulling up that transfer. And then I'm going to take my bright white and do the Today I Choose. And squeegee off any excess that I have and pull up that transfer. So I didn't really like how this color dried, so all I'm going to do is take a Clorox wipe and I'm going to wipe off the chocolate part and just clean that off because you can't really see it. So I cleaned it off, dried it off, and I'm good to start over. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fuzz my transfer again. And I'm going to put it back on there, and this time I'm just going to use the color bark. I'm not going to try and make it lighter because it didn't really show up. So I'm just going to use bark and cover that chocolate section, covering it to make sure all of the screen parts are fully covered, squeegeeing off any excess paste that would be on there, putting it back in the jar, and then pulling up my transfer. And that is so much better. You can see it way better. And I'm going to dry that, and then I'm going to do the other side. So the other side is going to say, Today I Choose Joy. So I'm going to fuzz the word joy a couple of times so it is less sticky when I pull it off. Center joy the best I can. I'm going to do the same thing with the Today I Choose. I only did it once this time just because I have used that transfer a couple of times. So I'm doing the bright white and the buttermilk. The bright white will be for Today I Choose. So I'm going to do that part, being careful not to get it anywhere but in that little part. Squeegeeing off the excess and then pulling up that part of the transfer and putting it in a water bath. Same thing with the buttermilk, stirring it up, putting it in the joy part, making sure I get all those little parts covered so I have my whole word, and then I'm going to squeegee off the excess paste that I have, and then I'm going to pull up that transfer and put it in a water bath. If I can get it. There we go. A little stuck there. And there we go. Today I choose joy, and today I choose chocolate.